here. Okay, everybody follow me. From here. This is starting the hose. We start. We bring the right hand back. We don't move the left hand. We move away from the left hand. We bring it over, and we open your palm, and we sink. And we do a left leg forward, and then we shift forward. And we bring both hands back, finger touch finger. And we drop, and we rise it slowly. We bring both hands down, we cross hand, and then we sink. And then we drop. And then we get up slowly. Okay. The step intercept punch is facing what time? 7:30. 7:30 to 10:30 to 9 o'clock. 7:30, 10 to 9 o'clock. So from here, 7:30. So we shift back and we rotate. You see, when I rotate, I just rotate here. The hand doesn't move. Step back and I rotate. When I finish here, then I start moving this because this stopped moving. Okay? Stop moving here. And then I bring it back. The palm still holding it. As I'm going to turn, so I sink a little bit, I hold my fist. And then I shift forward. You notice the distance on my hand. See this fist and this, notice the distance. As I go, this hand doesn't go away. It goes together. It goes together. It goes together. It goes together. Even though when I finish, these two hands is higher than the string sword. You see that? So it's not like this. It's too dramatic. Okay. So from here, once I decide the distance, whatever it is, if we decide the distance, as I step, I shift over halfway. Halfway means in the center. I turn. I'm turning here, and this hand also turn. And also here sparring around, turn. Okay, when I finish, it stays. It doesn't finish here, it stays. And then I step, and then I bring this down. Because I use here to bring it down. Okay. And then from here, I intercept, and then I punch straight forward. See that? I punch straight forward. And when I step back, I open my hand. See that? It opens my hand. As I'm shifting back. So as I'm shifting back, I open my palm, facing up, sitting all the way until the bottom is on the back of your head. Then from here, it's two finger turn at the same time. And I sink. I sink slowly, and I do my half step. Okay? So not so easy. Okay, we're going to ask you to come and do it, and I'm going to correct it. It's okay. From the brushing. Okay, first of all, you're going to check to make sure your brush knee is faced correctly. So the hands is this way. Good. Okay. Okay. Hello. All right. Then we turn. Rotate. Yeah. Yeah. And then turn your body. Turn your waist. Good. Good. Not too much. Just enough. Yeah. Okay. Bring your hand down. Right hand down. Yes. Hold your fist. And step forward. Don't move this yet. Step forward and move here. And go together. And then turn. Very good. And this hand down this way. And this hand's down this way. Okay, good. And you step forward. Yes. And bring your left hand down, but bring your waist down. Don't move this. Yes. Good. And then intercept. Good. And then punch. Very good. Punch. Good. And step back, open both palms. Shift back. Yes. Bring both hands down. Good. Open, close, and half step. Very good. Okay. Thank you. I'm going to start from to do the single whip and the brushing. I made single whip to lifting hands and white crane straight wings. So from here, I step back and I just shift back. And I rotate. You notice that nothing moves here, nothing moves here. I rotate all the way here. And then from here, I'm going to shift here. And then this thing changes. To what time? 9 o'clock. And then I sink by bringing this hand back. I sink by bringing this hand back. And I put a step forward. And then I push. Now I open like this, like a flower bloom. Open right in the center, and I turn. Okay? And again, the body is not square. Okay? It's on this side. So from here. And then I sit back, I rotate to 12 o'clock. And then I lift, and I'm facing 1:30. And then from here I lift, and I sink, and then I lift it up. See that? This hand don't move. I lift it up, and I do a white crane straight wings all the way up. And I shift back to bring this hand down. So I don't bring this down and shift back. So I shift back to bring this down. And I bring it all the way down. And I do open, close, half step. Okay? Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoy it. Please leave a comment and suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the red button so that you get notification for our new video coming out. We plan to post at least one video every week.